Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host James. Today we are going to explore the new features of the Shakker AI, that is Character Adventure. Character Adventure is an amazing feature that can help you to convert your doodling into amazing images. FYI, I think this will be loved by the kids. We need to find the entry points for Character Adventure in Shakker Home. And it's very obvious here, and when we click, yay, now it's time for our character to have an adventure. By the way, if you have a kid, maybe this is the best chance to let your kids touch the AI. It's gonna be fun. Let's click the start. Well, it's been a long time since I doodling, so let's try something fun. We can change the color. I'm drawing a little prince with a big sword against a devil dragon. And maybe some fire. And maybe the sword have some superpower. Okay, in case my doodling is not good enough, so we need to type the prompt. Okay, let's click the generate. Oh, we have our results. Let's click the preview. That's super cute. Imagine you have a kids and they're kind of annoying, and one day you find this AI in Shakker and you let them play around. They cannot stop. I even think we can make a children's book by using the illustrations from the AI. It's gonna be very fun. That's cute, right? So we can click the play again. And also we can change the dimensions of the final result, or we can click here to change the similarity between our doodling and the final work. So now it's in the middle, which is good. And if you messed around, you can click the reset canvas, so you get the blank canvas. And then we have a redo and undo button. We have an eraser, we have a brush, and also we can change the color. And if this color is not satisfied, you just click the more, and you can change by this panel. Okay, let's try to draw something fun. Well, this is a robot, I think. When I was young, I saw this animation a lot, but I don't know if anyone sees this before. I recall this is a robot that's assembled by many other robots. Let's click the generate. Wow, which one's your favorite? Well, I think I'm in love with this one. And what about this one? Lack of laser and color. So I'm choosing this one. I love this one. So we can download from this button. And if you're not satisfied with certain parts, we can click play again. Now this time, let's upload the image. And then let's change the size of our brush. And let's change the background color with blue. I want to add more effects with the color, so maybe something like that. Something like that. And also we need to write our prompt again. Let's click the generate. As we expect, we have more lightning, so we can download the image and we can tweak it again. But this time, maybe let's try to upload another image. This is the image that I just generated by Shakker. So maybe let's change the background color a little bit. And let's write our prompt. And click the generate. Wow, check out the results. This is crazy. I really think this one just from my mind, just read my mind. I love this one. And this one's more close to the reference image. That is so cool. We can download this image. And this time, maybe let's try to doodling existing portraits. And we click the upload image. This is me, and I'm trying to doodling this. Let's draw a cute dog beside me. Okay, now I'm holding a cute puppy, and let's write the prompt. Now let's try to change the similarity of this image. So I want more similarity, change it to 0.9, and let's click the generate. Hey, that's cute. I'm gonna use this. This is more like a combination of me and Elon Musk, and I think I will download this as well. How do you like it? We got this original doodling image and we generate this character. This is pretty cool, right? Well, let's go back to homepage of the Shaker. I cannot get my eyes off all the models. That's so attractive. And imagine what we can do with such a great quality AI models. This is terrific. And some of the models already telling a story, right? Have you ever heard about the ancient Chinese story, Legend of the White Snake? Let's use a model of the Shakker AI and make an AI animation. Since today our topic is about the character adventure, so maybe let's try to generate an image accordingly. This model can convert image or the text into terrific, astonishing cartoon characters. So let's click here. Remember how to use models inside of the Shaker. You can use it in 3 ways. So you can either use it in an AI generator or Web UI, and also Comfy UI. So this time, I want to use it in AI generator. FYI, I think the Shakker's AI generator is the best generator I have ever used. So let's change the base model to Flux and make sure the enhanced model we're selecting the Flux style 3D. And let's change the aspect ratio to 3:2. And let's type a prompt. I just written a prompt and let's click the generate button. Because this year is a year of the snake, so I'm trying to create this Asian tale in Chinese. That is so cool, right? Oh, we got another 4 images. I think I'm going with this one and also this one maybe. And also we can download this image. So next time we can use it as a reference. So let's click the generate. Let's generate the 4th image. And before you notice that, we already generate a lot of the AI images, and I hope this can be a part of a story. We can click here to download this image. Of course, you can use the style or you can make variations. And second one, I think I'm going with this one or this one, maybe this one. Click the download, and then it's hard to tell. Maybe this one, yeah. This main character looks very cute, right? So click download, and then we need a scary face from the male character, and maybe also this one a little bit. They get married and found out that the bride is turned out to be a huge white snake. This looks like this little bit like a dragon. But I think I'm gonna use this one for now. And we can upload the image that we just generate in the AI generator. And let's doodling a little bit. And let's change the similarity. And click the generate. Oh, this looks great. We can use it. So let's download it. We already have several images that we generated. Then we can make it into a video.
At Westlake, beneath the weeping willows, stood a love story that defied heaven and earth. Lady White, a serpent spirit who had cultivated for 1,000 years, had fallen deeply in love with a mortal named Xu Xian. Though Lady White had taken human form and devoted herself to healing the sick alongside her husband, her true nature could not remain hidden forever. On the day of the Dragon Boat Festival, her identity was revealed.
Alright, so much for today. I hope you like it. And don't forget to check the Shakker AI by yourself. I think you will be in love with Shakker AI. And I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.